to Rican Thai family with Nuch, TK, and Nelson. Come join our lives while we travel and share with you on YouTube. So come along and have some fun with Rican Thai family.
This is my wood. Buy from the loaf. This wood I make this pizza. Very heavy and strong. See that? This is for starting a fire. Now time to make the fire.
Ready?
Okay. These are the ingredients for pizza. The flour, this sauce, this yeast for flour for make pizza flour.
You prepped it.
Yes.
Okay, so what's next?
I want to make the pizza dough.
The pizza dough? No dome, the pizza dough.
The pizza dough.
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 Yeah.
The pizza dough.
Yeah, something like that.
Pizza
Okay.
dough.
Yeah, okay. So what's the steps?
The first is the salt.
What kind of salt? Sea salt, right?
Sea salt first.
Then the flour. And then you're gonna put something so people know how much you put, right?
Yes.
Like the measurements and stuff at the bottom. If you remember, you usually forget that stuff.
I like in the nowadays.
Alright.
Nowadays.
What's that you got over there? Oh, you're gonna mix it first? Okay, so what's next? Oh, put the hook on?
And the
Yeast?
yeast with water.
Activated already? How long you live? For 10 minutes, right?
Right.
No.
Now I want to leave over here for 30 minutes. Later I come back. See you. Okay, that's ready.
Like that, huh?
Yeah, I think
Goes
it's
in
done.
here?
Yes. And
Now what? Goes in the
put
fridge?
inside the fish.
How many days?
3 days.
Wow, 3 days. Alright. Sounds good, right? Alright, cool. That's it, right?
Yes.
Done.
See you in the oven.
See you on the oven. Okay. Nuch over here putting some stuff up for Tika's birthday. And signs for people to keep their mask on. We're not gonna have too many people because we're not allowed to have more than 5. But she has some chicken over there and a piece of a big pork chop. So what's going on though? How's everything going in here with the oven and the chicken? Almost done?
Good.
Looking good? What's next? What are you gonna do next?
Pizza.
Pizza next?
Yeah.
Cool.
We have 2 chicken.
You gotta keep that fire going like that, huh? So we can stay at 500. Oh, Tika's birthday! No?
Oh,
Boom? No.
Titi.
Tika's birthday. Titi?
No, Titi.
Titi stay in America. And then we'll make some muffins in the oven too. Over here she has some bread. Balloons too? Wow. That's what she's gonna cook after the pizza's done. Here's the pizza. The pizza dough which she made before. Pizza boxes. She's just gonna send things to people, see? So every bag for a person. We have some more coming. And then a pizza will go together with that. And people can enjoy Tika's birthday at home. Ciao Tika, you wanna break her neck?
One more. Okay? Mommy, please not go inside.
Bim. meaning to try one. Let's see if I can get one over here. Oh yeah, that looks good. Okay. No. Yeah. The plan is working perfectly. And this one's mine.